Deere 6140R. Doing a wee bit of winter ploughing. First one up the back of the hedge. That's the 5 for a EM85 kevernland plough. Slight frost on the ground. Nice view. One of the benefits of working in the country, let alone this part of the world, these nice hills. You see the snow on top of some of them this morning. Say so myself. Fire up. I'll turn the plough over. I'm just doing a static this time for we're on the bit close to the hedge there. It's easier to pull out and just turn right around. Some people would go up to the hedge, reverse back. I like to just turn around so I do for bigger tram lines nowadays. It's different in the days of 12-metre tram lines. You had to go up, reverse, turn, do a 16-point turn and go back around. Whereas now you just put the side brake on, spin around like that, and come back up around like this here, and drop the plough back into work. You can take the rest out with and the rigs. Diff on, just see this. Rather the hill, I need to just plough down a wee bit more. Right at the top of that cut. And then back down here, you can get the speed up a wee bit. You got the dual power, or whatever you call them, power shift. I'll set about around 7.5–8 k. And go faster, but it's nice to do a good job. Or if you're ploughing and it's not turning over brown and you're putting weeds up, you're just wasting your time and money. You can see there, I'm going to slow down. The difference of the way it's been turned over, the plough is in a wee bit deep there. When you lift her up just a wee bit. You shouldn't have to adjust too much in the modern tractors for the good draft control and stuff on them. They can do most of themselves. But there we go. Very exciting. Oh, we've caught something there, have we? Just have to watch this big stone, caught her. And we're at the end of this one here, so we'll have to lift her up to get traction problems. This is a wee bit of a mess in here, just it's down into a bit of fog. We'll have to reverse back down into it. Get that bit for it. We don't actually cut her down for again this bit, we're just going as far as we can. Sort of give it a bit of drainage every year. never does much, but keeps the rest of the field up here good then. Sit back on for a bit of help. Back out of that. It ain't gonna dry in a month or two. Hopefully we may back foot in and there and up there and do a bit of adjustment. Deepest part of the field here, so slows down a little bit, so she does. If you want to like and subscribe to the videos, I already got a picture of my, or a video up of my 4340 plan earlier on in the year. It's doing quite well with 2,000 views or so at the minute. So if you want to like and subscribe and make this here video successful, that'll be nice. Remember, subscribe, 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 and support British farming. Thank you very much for watching.